So buying a home can be a scary process, but I'm there to help you every step of the way. And another person who's going to be there as well is going to be a real estate lawyer. Now, what is the lawyer's job in the process when you're buying a home? The lawyer is the one who's going to make sure every single T is dotted and every I is dotted and every T is crossed out. Now, what are those I's and what are the T's that they're even going to be looking for? One of the biggest things is there any liens on the property? Is there any money that's owing on the property that after closing we might not be able to see? Because you don't want to end up buying a place and there's hidden money that you didn't know about that's owing. So that's one of the things that they're going to be able to see when you're buying a condo. There's a status certificate. That status certificate is like 300 or 400 pages long. And what the lawyer does, the lawyer goes through it, and that lawyer is going to break it down into about 1 or 2 pages of everything that's important for you to know. What's happening with the reserve fund? Is the maintenance fees going to be going up over the next couple of years? That's something that they're going to be looking at as well. So the other thing that you need to know is there's a pre-construction lawyer. So I was talking about resale before. Now let's talk about pre-construction, because we also work with lawyers who specialize in pre-construction. Now, you go out, you find the place that you want to find for pre-construction, and you put down your deposit. Now, when you put down your deposit, there's going to be a 10-day due diligence period. In that 10 days, and this is governed by the government of Ontario, but in this 10 days, you're going to be able to figure out like everything about this project. Are you comfortable making this decision? And the lawyer is going to go through the contract. This is about a 40-page contract. Plus, there's also condo documents as well. The lawyer is going to go through all of these, and they'll be able to tell you if there's anything that you really need to know, because 40 pages, that's a lot. Majority of people don't want to go through all of that. So again, they're going to break it down 1 or 2 pages. Here are the important things that you need to know. Do you have those incentives? Do you have the right to lease during occupancy? What are the levies looking like? Do you have cap development charges? Certain things like this. That's what the pre-construction lawyer is going to be able to find out for you. Now, this is kind of a breakdown of what the lawyer's role is in the whole home buying process. I'm Bawanka with the Compass team. If you have any questions about this, because it is deeper than this, always feel free to reach out. You can click the link below, and then you'll be able to set up a time for us to meet. But more importantly, if you know somebody who's looking to buy or is thinking about buying and they don't understand the lawyer's role in the process, feel free to send this over to them as well. But I'm looking to hearing from you. I'm looking forward to meeting you and seeing you. And we'll see you guys on the next one.